Everybody, Colin here at NoremTrades. We're going to do a quick video covering pre-market high, pre-market low levels, how to set them. They helped me tremendously during my day trading. So let's get right into it. We're going to go to pre-market. We're going to make sure we are on the correct date, which we are, 10/11. We're going to find the highest candle and the lowest candle, and we're going to set those levels. So on Webull, you're just going to go up here to the drawings, trend line. Right here is pre-market high. This is on the 1 minute time frame. And then right here is pre-market low. These levels do a lot for you. Above pre-market high, you could look to go long if you get a close above it. If you see a rejection at pre-market high, you could go short. And then same with pre-market low, close below, you could go short. If it starts to hold, you could go long. So let's do QQQ. Pre-market high is this level right here. Pre-market low is right here. So it's very simple. We just set them levels. You can see how majority of the day QQQ traded in between these levels. And it's just basically support and resistance. So let's do one more. It's where buyers are buying and sellers are selling in the pre-market hours. Let's go to AMD. Again, just go up here to the trend line. Pre-market high is right here. Pre-market low is right here. So it's as simple as that. I use these levels to trade off of every day. We live trade daily. Please come join us. I have another video on my Webull setup, basically a tutorial of how to get all my moving averages, RSI, MACD, all of my indicators that I use for day trading. So I appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe. See y'all again.